Look at Ty. What's his name? Titus? Titus! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. No? Nothing from you?
Good morning.
Tyler, where are we going? Yeah, we're taking a road trip today. You guys, the camera is back! Woohoo! Vlogging is back in full swing of things, y'all. And we're out today. It's the weekend, and of course you know how we do on the weekend. We appreciate these weekends, okay, because we're so busy in the week. So right now we are on our way to take Tyler to a park. By the way, honey, do you have the tickets from mom?
It's in the envelope that I gave you.
Okay. We're on our way to a park. Tyler should be going on some fun adventures, and hopefully babe and I can enjoy them with him. So that's what we're doing today. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend. We got up this morning, we take our time, and we got ready, we ate, and we are out to have a good day. And Tyler, you are looking forward to it, right? Right. Anyway, you guys, of course we're gonna take you guys along with us, and hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, of course girl, you don't want to leave unless you subscribe and turn on your notification bell and catch up and keep up with the fam. Yeah, you guys, you like my shirt? Look what my shirt says. Let me show you guys what my shirt says. It says, I left a piece of my heart in Jamaica. When I get out of the car, I'll show you guys better how it says. I left my heart in Jamaica. That's what it says. Yes, that's true. That's so true. I left my heart in Jamaica.
A piece of your heart.
A piece. Correction. You guys hear that correction? A piece. He's defending his half, okay? I don't wrong you, babe. Defend your half, of course. I would do the same. Anyway, you guys, we are going now to enjoy this day. Make sure whatever you guys are doing today, you have fun doing it, you stay blessed doing it, you enjoy doing it, and just stay smiling and stay happy. Anyway, guys, let me stop my antics. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys when we'll get to our destination. Not yet. Not yet. Tyler, you want to do the post notification shout out? Yes. Alright, let me tell you who you're gonna give the post notification shout out to right now, okay? And you guys, these shout outs are just going randomly, so don't worry, we'll get to you at some point throughout these vlogs. So every day you have to watch to see if you got your shout out, right? Right. Okay, today's post notification shout out goes to Tyler, say Avalon, London.
Avalon, London.
Say hey. Alright, you guys, today's post notification goes to Avalon, London. Baby, you want to say hi, Avalon?
Hi, Avalon.
Right. Alright, you guys, so there you have there you have today's post notification shout out. Hey girl, thanks for watching. We love you. Guys, we are stopping at one of our favorite spots for lunch. Tyler,
Burger King.
what are you gonna eat?
Fries.
And what?
Chicken.
And what?
Again.
And what? An hamburger? Nah, you're gonna have. And what? M's? What is M's?
It's white.
Oh, it's not M, it's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise is white.
Yes, anyway, you guys, we are gonna Burger King hop before we continue on our journey. Right now, and we're just gonna bask and have some fun. I'm just gonna catch a little footage here and there, but most importantly, we're gonna let Tyler have lots of fun. Tyler, go with Papa. Go. Look, he wanna go to Playmobil, honey. You wanna go here? Can you use my phone and take pictures? Tyler, stand up and say cheese. You're hiding. No, come in front of him. Right. Look at Mama. Yes. Alright, come on. What's that? What's that sound? Let's go in this one. Go with Papa. I don't know. What? Tyler, what's that? Lift him up. Him can't see it. What is that thing? Is it a horse or a pony, honey? It's a pony, right?
Like baby.
Tyler, touch him. Yeah. You don't want to touch him? Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's a me.
And look over there. A goat. Touch him.
You gonna touch him? No, you can't touch him. And Papa gonna leave you up here, so. What is that? Look and tell Mama, what is it? You hear it go hoink?
It's a pig.
It's a pig. Go close. You don't have to dress back. You can go close. Go on, go close to him. You see him? Listen, y'all, Tyler is so hilarious. Tyler is so funny. He's getting excited about every single one of the animals that he's seeing. He's so excited about everything that he's seeing. Look at him. I have no idea what that is. It is sleeping.
I don't think it's sleeping.
Oh, there's more. What? There's more. Go around the other side. Come around this side. Come. Oh, his rabbit babies.
It's a what?
The rabbit babies. The stinky dog. Yeah, they're sleeping. Go close to him, he'll pick you.
Attention, Tala.
Good job. Look where you're going, look. Good job. Good job. Go on. Hold the rope. Good job. Don't let go off the rope until you reach the other rope, okay? Go on.
Non, tu mets les deux mains sur la corde.
I don't know what kind of animal this is. Hello. He looks mean. Let me just back up. Now he's at the Playmobil room. There's Playmobil everywhere in this room for different kids. So he's here having a little blast. What are you doing? Doing Playmobil?
I'm going to open the gate.
Bye, Tyler. Bye bye. Hold on tight. Wow! Look at them go, they're gone. Yes! Hi, they're on horse ride. Taylor's having the time of his life right now. Precious moments like these I enjoy so much. The little things. Ride is coming to an end. Wow! Bravo, Tyler! Form. You're going to look for the chicken? Don't go too close, he'll pick you. It's okay, it's okay. He's done scared. He's done scared. Cool. Go, Ty, go.
Merci.
See the pony there? Go. Oh, Ty. Wow, Tyler. Oh, Ty.
No, you have to walk in front, not behind.
No, I'm too late to pass. Can I pass still? Go, it's okay. Go, 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 go. Wow, Ty! I want to pass.
Yes, what? That's the reason.
Wow, Ty! Your first bunny ride! Oh my god!
Non, pas faster. Il s'appelle Titus, d'accord?
Well, look at my boy and his first bunny ride.
Look at the pony.
Yeah, hold on. He touched Papa. Well, look at my boy and his first bunny ride. Look at Ty. What's his name? Titus? Titus. His name is Titus.
Pas Taylor?
Boy is living his best life. Yes, you're living your best life. You're living your best life. Yes. I am to come and sit in your bus. Mama don't want to sit in your bus. We are taking ice cream break. Which one do you want? Which one do you want, Pumpkin? Okay, all right.
Orange.
You want orange juice from the bag?
Yeah.
Come. No, orange juice? Bye-bye! Cool. Guys, we have been back from our little adventure today and we had so much fun. Look at my kid. You're hiding from Faves? They see you here. They see you here. They see you. And Tyler is about to head to bed because it was a long day today. So we're coming on to give you guys the expressions for today. Guys, the Jamaican expression of today is me can't bother with you. So me can't bother with you.
We can bother with you.
Right. And that means I cannot bother with you. That's what I just told Tyler.
Bother with you.
French expression.
Well, it's gonna be a word for today because don't think Tyler know this one. That's what he did today. Is pony.
Pony.
Pony is just a translation of pony.
We have the what you want to tell Faves?
We are to toy store.
Yes, we went to the toy store today, and what did you get at the toy store?
Animals.
Yeah, you got lots of animals.
Est-ce que tu as tes sages
He got
aujourd'hui?
lots of animals. You guys have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it? So make sure you get it.
Sure you get it.
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and Tyler is going to bed. You have too much energy right now.
Not too much.
Anyway, you guys, we love you guys, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.